Hello everyone, so this is my PF of the day of 12 15 of 2022, which is the stock of QQQ, and I want to explain very quick, very fast why I took a trade from on the 5 minutes, and also uh, the mistake that I've done that also I shouldn't do and what can I improve. And very proud of myself that consistent posting a PA, which is been waiting. It kind of quite patient. And at the same time, I had a learning curve, which is that I didn't want to take the trade on the first day over here and the second day over here and here until I really observe, I understand well what's going on, what was happening. So very quick, I'm running through of that, why this area to react, and yeah, Victor had to go through uh, very slightly of that one couple hours to stay up and watch the stock exactly because I'm pretty upset with it, and also I'm upset of learning to know. I'm curious how what is this move and what kind of this move and what's going on. Of course, I didn't stay that long to watch the stock because it's 1 hour. That's my understanding. Also, I'm in training myself. This is just 1 hour. It's not 5 minutes or 3 minutes. So that was very good for me to train myself to be patient, not to take the trade fast as soon as possible. So I improve of that. Another trade, and hold the trade uh, the whole 3 days. So I took a trade for the 5 minutes. Very quick explanation and a mistake that I done. So I took a trade on the 5 minutes from this area to here, and the reason why I took the trade on it at the same time I was nervous, well, which is I still treat the demo as my real money, and it wasn't really that good. So a mistake that I done that I traded on my gem, and I went on my gem in the morning at around 3, around 4 5. I supposed to prepare the pre-analysis, uh what can I do, what my action I want done, and from there, yeah, I took the trade from there. I was lifting weight, and I was like, this is a bad idea. Why did I take a trade from here? And this is not very good. I supposed to be on my chair, and really analysis the what can I do, and yeah, I was not calm. I was not calm what I done, but at that moment, I took a trade from there and say, where is my target to get out? So I waited my target to get out from there to here, to this area. So that was my target to get out. And then wanted to push it to longer periods. I know that the daily was doing a range of this area. Maybe I don't want to draw. So I know that the stock QQQ doing a range of this area. So basically, there's a sister pair from NASA. There are sister pair, and this is from the future, and this is from the future. And I understood that it was a monthly owners to move it now. Went all the way to the daily, see what can they do. At first they give me like a pro from this area. I have a ton of questions like what is going on of this area. So at the same time, looking at this to the sister pair, they're they look the same. So from there, I say, whoa, what's going on with this move? And I'm very proud of myself that I able to control my emotion and understanding what is that move, what is about. So on the 5 a.m. I check on the news. Okay, for I check on the news. It was a CPI, and also of course I went to the forex economy to check on the economics, and the CPI was going to it was red. So it was red. I was like so confusing. So is this one's green? It popped out, and I would love to have that popped out, but the thing is like I'm already late on the trade, so it's cool. Okay, then give me a better price to here, but at the same time I was going through a podcast. I was going through the course. That price is not good enough for me, so I need a better price to take it back up. But the thing is that what if it picked it back down and never go back up? So I stay back. And the price that I take it back down, I'm in the middle. So I don't want to be in the middle. That's the thing that I say to myself. I don't want to be in the middle. I want to be somewhere that I want to trade. So I went on the 5 minutes, went on the 5 minutes that looking for where's the area of the last buyer to have trapped this area. Okay, and then a PNS. Just do very quickly PNS. Boom. Okay, not 5 minutes of the owner. See, not the 5 minutes of the owner. During that time, it was like that. It was like that, like in the moment, at the moment, and then break down. Okay, it's not even the 15 minutes of the owner. Um, maybe I had to go back to train myself to go back here. Are they hitting this SNR or that SNR? But they hit this SNR from here because maybe I read too short, too little, weak. They come back. So I think they went with SNR. Again, now okay. There's PNS. All right. So that moment, this line doesn't let me want to go. At that moment, I'll say, okay, there's no trade for me for today. But I would like to watch. So I would like to watch. Put it. It's like during the day, I just go sleep. Like I couldn't watch everything. I say, okay, give me this day. How are they gonna close? So they close at that day. Like close a wick, like a wick. Like okay, this is a kind of a pro something off. I feel that it was something off, and I say, you know what, I'm gonna take my chance to take a sell from here, and for the future ETF and the sister pair, so I'm gonna take a sell from here. Now, of course, I'm still rookie and rusty about the PNS in there, and I noticed that there's a seller here and then holding here, and I'm constantly want to improve that. Like so, then I learn from Ali. Say okay, something hold, then the break. Okay, and it break. So give me a P in here, and I know the 15 minutes somewhere of this area. And give it an S. Oh my god! and that time, I still didn't want to take a trade. So why I didn't want to take a trade of that? Because of timing. Timing, I was asleep. Uh, couldn't wake up at 11. Uh, when I just just tired. Like you get to wait for all this hour and then wait for 11, and 11 go all the way down, and I waited for to break, and that's the story. They went to a break, and then after that, after what's it called? What do you call it? After the market and then in the morning, and that's how I took my trade for this day of December 15th of 2022 on the QQQ. And this one I want to explain real quick what are my mistakes that I done, and then what I could have done better is I could have done better, just took a trade from here based by the reading for by 1 hour and knowing that there's an S sign and a P sign. I would take a trade better from there. And the mistake that I took here of this on the 15th, I was at the gym and I took the trade, and just because my emotion was confident to do it, I was pumped everything, but it's not the right way to trade. I supposed to trade in the office and look at it and why I took a trade. So I took the trade real quick and I just scanned my area, and I say, okay, that's my target. That's it. And the trade is supposed to be over here, but this after the market. When the market decided to took it down. When I took it down, okay, and now double check where I'm at right now. Okay, so this is gonna be the first leg, the second leg. Okay, cool. And now I'm at the third leg. So third leg, I might be have a chance for tomorrow that I give a trade, but I want to see something, uh, again, something like this. Boom. Buyer came in, and then the S came in, boom. And I want to see something also something like that. Okay, and then and then boom, and S, and then take it down again. That's that basically I want to improve. So far so good. I improved that not to hold the trade for the whole day, and I improved my reading and I improved my P&S. Very proud of that what I've done. Improved my impatience, improved my emotion, and I want consistent to keep posting PA, well, how I feel about this, the stock. Improving my reading too. That I'm focusing on the daily, that is the range, but now it broke out. I might have to switch to the sell side. So it's been a long time here, and yeah, very good weekly. Want to take it down. Yeah, I took my trade on the 5 minutes, which is on the 1 hour overall. Yeah, basically that's my PA, and I wanted to share with you guys, and also for myself that I could able to improve. Thank you for watching. That's my PA. And also, you have any feedback that I could able to improve, please comment down below so I could put I could see your video or your post that something that I'm missing to do the trade. I'm missing a piece of elements that what I need to improve, and I would love to how do you say? I'd love to see your comments. Yeah, but because video is not my thing. But the more I post PA, I'll get comfortable with the video and everything, how I explain it, I will be better. Thank you once again.